Video making gear is expensive and you're not always getting what you want. I think I can make better, and I'm already printing my first item. I challenged myself to 3D print useful items for filming videos. However, I made one exception. It's not very wise to print pipes, so I'm using PVC pipes. And some items that I already printed are surprisingly useful. Therefore, I'm using one of them right now. This microphone stand with shock mount. I'll switch microphone here. Main feature for me is that I can remove it from a table very fast. It can go down and it can go up, so it can be very high. And microphone is not touching these rings because it's held by 4 hair bands. This is a one ring, and hair bands go here and second one goes here. In this case it can be used with other microphone shapes. Let me take it out. Is this ring just to keep level, and this will be arm to hold microphone, and final attachment is microphone holder itself, and it goes here. Let's take a look on next item. This phone camera cage, and this is clip to hold phone in place. There are multiple holes here for cold shoes and holes for standard microphone or tripod. Standard screw. This cold shoe can be used for light and for microphone. Here is the light, here is microphone. But there is one issue with this setup. I cannot see myself, so I made my next item. This is the mirror. I 3D printed this holder for the mirror. This holder goes into the cold shoe. Now I can see myself. I even can press a record button. But there is disadvantage with mirror, is distance. If I'm far away from a phone, screen reflection can be too small. So I created my next item. My next item is based on Raspberry Pi desktop. For details you can go and watch my previous video, but in short you need screen from old laptop, 3D printed case and LCD controller board. I will use this Apple adapter from HDMI to Lightning. It goes here and I connect phone, HDMI cable, and this screen needs power. Now I can see myself on this big screen. This is my next item. Probably I can call it Monopod or desktop mount. Pipe goes here, mount here. Here I joined with screw 2 pieces, and it is compatible with this phone camera cage. Phone goes here. I can tilt, rotate. I can use longer pipe. My next item is tripod. I printed this middle piece. This is 3 meter. This is bread knife. Yay. Now I have 6 pipes. I'm going to use these 4 pipes. It goes here. I think I need more space for this to show. I was able to put it here. I was thinking about some mechanisms to control how it goes up and down, but I find out that it's tight enough and I can just use electrical tape here, like this, and it will not go anyway. I will use this holder. I have 2 camera cages. I like them. There is hole here for more secure connection. I like this setup, and it's very lightweight. For my next item I printed this, and I printed this. These parts are made for IKEA table, to use it here and here. First one here. First of all, I can make perfect alignment. Great. It can work like a slider. But most important, I can make shots from the top. I got these LED lights, power connected. Next item will be light. I already printed these pieces and I will use this 5-meter LED strip. It has diffused light and I can use dimmer. I will use these 4 pipes. This holder goes here. I will cut this LED strip every 50 centimeters. I made this small tripod and I attach this dimmer. Let me turn off main light, maximum brightness. And to make this light soft, I can cover it like this. If I will move light and second light from this side. Now this light out of the frame, and with dimmer I can control brightness. These were video making accessories. My favorite is this microphone stand and this camera cage. Do you like any of them? Bye!